Good morning. I'm making a quick chicken chili before we take off to school. This is going to cook all day. I have 2 large frozen chicken breasts from Costco. I'm also going to throw in a good amount of garlic. I'm going to throw in 1 can of black beans, 1 can of northern beans, and 1 can of corn, everything drained. And then I have this bag of bone broth that I froze, chicken bone broth that I made. So I'm just going to throw that in there as well. That'll do its thing. Okay, let's cut this and get it broken in half. Okay, there, that's good. I'm also going to throw in some celery. If I had onion, I thought I had onion, I don't. I would throw in a whole onion chopped. I might just saute some when I get home and pick one up and throw it in. I would also throw in a can of chilies, which I don't have. So we're just making it work with what we have, which is what I do all the time. A can of cream of chicken. I rarely use this stuff, but I have it on hand, so we need to get rid of it. Okay. All those preservatives. Sorry. Okay. We're going to do a block of cream cheese. This is not the most low-cal meal, but it's going to be delicious, and it's going to be raining later. Perfect. Let me grab my spices. The spices. We are going to go with chili powder, about a tablespoon. Garlic powder, another tablespoon. All of what I have. A little bit of paprika, about a half a teaspoon. Onion powder, about a teaspoon. Refill all my spices. And cumin, let's do about a tablespoon, a little more. And then that's it. Let it go. I'm going to leave it on low, and it's a work day, so I'm going to leave it on low and then come back and mix it up. Or before my husband goes to work, he'll mix it up for me, but this is what we got so far. See you in 6 hours on low.
Oh, whose job was it? Whose job was it? Yeah. From Mama Pierce. Mama Pierce? What was it that he sold? Oh. Mama, is this what I have? Is this what we are gonna have for dinner?
No, watching it.
And that, Mom, and this too.
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, back home from work. Scoot over, son. Okay. I took out the 2 chicken breasts. I shredded them right here. I'm going to add some chicken bouillon because it needs a little bit of salt.
Can I do it?
Yes. Okay, dump that in there, please. And then you can stir slowly. Yeah, all of it. That's fine.
All of it?
No, go.
No, wait. I
Go.
want to stir it. Like, Mom, all of it?
Yeah.
Mom, can I stir it?
Yeah, let Rudy stir, okay?
Can you move the iPad now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're also going to add the pollito. Okay. Let you stir. Remy, you put it in there.
Okay. I don't want to splash. Are you done reading?
He hasn't even started reading.
Yeah, it's from mine for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't know how to read by yourself? No.
Okay.
We'll taste it right now. Let's mix it around. Get all that chicken bouillon dissolved. Look at this. I think we should add a little bit of heavy cream.
Really? Put it inside.
A little bit of crema. No.
Really, put it inside.
A little bit of cream.
Really, do it. Really, do it.
Brianna, can I do it, Mom? Tell me on stop, okay?
Okay, ready?
Can I some stir it up?
Mom, is this yours?
Yeah.
Where's mine? Where's over there? Go to my room.
Okay, who wants to be the first taste tester?
Me.
Okay. Let's get a little spoon and you guys can taste. And we can garnish this with cilantro, some shredded cheese on top. Okay, let's see. Okay, want to taste it?
Yeah, I want that one.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, taste it. Taste it with that one. The
Okay,
mom
we got a little bit of bean, a little bit of chicken. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
I'm gonna eat all of it
Yeah.
like this. No.
I was thinking of making some cornbread with this. I don't know if I said that already. Mmm. Bombskis?
Mhm.
A little bit more chicken bouillon. A little bit more salt, huh?
Give me. Hey,
I just want to make sure that those are all.
I want to punch it up.
Okay, pour it in. In the middle, in the middle.
I want the chicken.
Hands off.
Here, come here, come close.
I want chicken.
Come over here. Come on this side. Come so I don't spill. Come on this side.
Yummy.
Let's see. Let's see.
I'm not all the way.
Let me stop. Oh shit! It's hot.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, let's serve some in a bowl. Who's ready to have some?
Wait, this is what we're gonna have for dinner?
Uh-huh.
That's all?
Yeah.
Why?
Is this not enough?
No!
What else do you want?
Just keep it there. Keep it there. And make some more.
Some more what?
Raw. More.
Okay.
More
Let me just serve a little bit so I can show what it looks like up close.
And then are you gonna pour it back in?
No.
And what are you
Okay.
gonna do?
And now let's add some cheese on top.
Mm.
Say excuse me.
No cheese on mine.
What is A? What's O? No.
Mama.
O A S.
Make
A.
something now.
Something else? Like what? This is enough. This is a dinner.
No. Make quesadillas.
Mommy.
I want cheese.
Remy.
I don't want cheese.
Remy, what do you think this smells? Mom, is this the oxygen?
Oaxaca, hombre.
No, Oaxaca starts with a W. No, what?
Say chicken chili.
Mom, can I drink this?
No.
Why?
Okay, let's taste it. Chicken
Mom,
chili
why
with
can't I
black
drink it?
beans.
Mom, why can't I drink
Get
it?
this in and out cup out of here.
Why can't I drink it?
Let's taste this. Chicken, black beans.
Why can't I taste it?
Mm. Delicious. Mmm.
Taste it.
Here, Rudy, come here.
Taste it.
Want to try it
Mom,
now?
Taste it.
No, it's still
No,
hot.
it's not. I put cheese.
Not good. More.
Want to finish this then? Here, come sit down right here.
Chocolate
eat that.
milk.
Mom, bring your coffee?
Give me my coffee. My
Can I try?
pistachio latte. No,
No, I wanna try
no,
the
no,
latte.
no. Eat your sopita.
It's just not Remy. I'm chugging it.
Chunk it up, chunk it up.
Good, baby.
Mommy, why to make
Stop
that?
watching me eat.
Hold it like this towards me. Turn it towards me.
Oh, I see. Wait, can you scoop it out?
Yeah, hold it. Bring it over the bowl. Over the, yeah, like that. You want to do it? Cornbread coming out. Okay, cilantro's done. Now we're gonna add some honey into this butter to make some what?
No!
Here.
Oh, that's you shining.
Keep it, no, keep it over the bowl. You're gonna mix it into that. This is unsalted butter, so we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Now hold the side of the bowl and then you can mix it with a spoon.
Chop it up.
Okay. Hold the bowl, always hold the side of the bowl. There you go. Here we go, everything is ready. I made a cornbread, as you just saw, with some honey butter. Let's cut up the cornbread. It was just simple Marie Callender's organic cornbread mix from Costco. Cut up these slices. I always need a middle slice. I used to work at Marie Callender's. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, let's plate. Smells divine. Okay, here's the soup. We're gonna add some cheese on top, some cilantro, let that cheese melt. And then let me get a little plate for the cornbread. Now some delicious, put it upside down so that like cakey part shows. And then we're gonna add some honey butter on top.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Come on, wanna try the cake? Here. It's hot, it's a little bit hot. Honestly? Oh my God.
Oh, that's good.
What?
That's good.
Bomb, huh?
What's on top?
Honey butter. Delicious? Ah, open. Ah. Bye.